Hi, today I'm ready for OnePlus 11 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. I just set up my face recognition and I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock option works correct successfully. We just select the device successfully just in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.